The other side of the ocean makes me get high my emotions. I don't want it to be over. And when midnight comes to my arms, you're right. Another side of the mirror, I wish that you could be clearer. And when we touch the moment, it feels just unreal, making you so real. So leave me lonely, then you stick around to hold me. Stay a little more, then slowly walk out the door. So leave me lonely, then you stick around to hold me. Stay a little more, then slowly walk out the door. Are you even real? 'Cause feelings I feel you come knocking on my heart. You come and then you go. It's high then it's low. You spin my head around. I need you so. Lost in space, 'cause you exist in another metaverse. To love you in every universe. So easy really put you out, really put you out. That's right. Only you and me just take my hand all night. Some people say we don't make sense at all, but I only care about what you think, that's all. So leave me lonely, then you stick around to hold me. Stay a little more, then slowly walk out the door. You leave me lonely, then you stick around to hold me. Stay a little more, then slowly walk out the door. Are you even real? 'Cause feelings I feel you come knocking on my heart. You come and then you go. It's high then it's low. You spin my head around. I need you so. It's all meant to be metaverse. I love you in every universe. Are you a blessing? So I do a curse. So easy really put you out, really put you out. Lost in space, 'cause you exist in another metaverse. To love you in every universe. So easy really put you out, really put you out.
It is so hard to tell what is on my mind. Sometimes my feelings are just a cold ice. I built the walls around me, say you wanna give it a try. I'm blocked for state to say that I'm a fine. You are the one with who I wanna spend my time. I'm falling high. If you have got no past, we're gonna hack my heart, hack my heart out. Hack my heart, hack my heart out. Hack my heart, hack my heart out. Past, we're gonna hack my heart, hack my heart out. Hack my heart, hack my heart out. Hack my heart, hack my heart out.